Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to see how we can put the tabs in sleep under Microsoft Edge browser. So launch your Microsoft Edge browser. I'm just opening different tabs here which are right now open, but we are not using it. So if it is inactive for a certain amount of time, put those tabs in sleep mode. So to do that, simply do settings and more, and then click on settings. Here you will find system and performance button. Click here, and now scroll down, and under fed sleeping tabs, if it is off, turn it on. And here you can manage the time of your inactivity, like if the tab remain inactive for 30 seconds, 5 minutes. So I'm keeping it as 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes of inactivity, these tabs will go in sleep mode. So in this way we can save our resources and maintain the efficiency of your browsing experience. See you in my next video, and thanks for watching.